soft as dusk and amber flame. Come to me and stay tonight, where silence glows in fading light. Barefoot dreams on quiet sand, your gentle fingers in my hand. The moon bends low to hear us breathe, while waves write secrets underneath. And in the stillness of the tide, I find my soul here by your side. Sing hey, sing hey, voices rising, hearts awake. Under stars our spirits meet, where love and fate move soft and deep. Lucky are we beneath the sky, two restless hearts now side by side. Palm trees bow like ancient prayers, warm wind dancing through your hair. No more running, no disguise, only truth inside your eyes. Storms may come and storms may go, but roots of love grow deep below. Sing hey, echoes turning night to day. Grateful hearts that found their way, a home where time can never fade. Feet in the sand, heart in the fire. You lit the spark, you took me higher. Lost for years, now I stand still. You're my peace, my strength, my will. Ooh, your voice calls my name, burning soft like endless flame. Hands to the sky, choirs rising high. Love like this will never die. Love like this will never die. Stay with me, don't drift away. Rest in the hush where moonlight stays.